here with us we have Somadip Roy. He did brilliantly in WBJ. So Somadip, what was your rank in WBJ?
45.
Oh my God, GMR 45, right? So did you expect this rank?
No, I had expected under 100 after giving the exam, that I was sure that I will be under 100. But
Okay,
my
so
teachers had told that you have to be under 50. So their prediction came out to be true.
okay, so your teacher's prediction came out to be 2, right? So you got 45. And how much marks did you score?
138.4.
138.4. Great, great, great marks. So first question that I would like to ask you is that how did you keep your studies up during this lockdown period where all the coaching institute was closed? How did you manage all the things in online mode? Can you share?
Means if I start from the beginning, that in the month of December, January, that 2019-20 session, my mathematics section was totally, means you can say it was devastated. It was not being up to the mark. So
Okay,
I am really grateful to my maths teacher whom I had selected after that, Mr. Pranab Kumar Jha at Durgapur. He had
okay,
guided me. He had guided me very nicely, means taking special care of me, giving me extra time, and he has means not only that he has given guidance in mathematics, but he has also taken full tests based on physics, chemistry, maths, a 3-hour test he has arranged for in the center. Despite this lockdown, we have given offline tests in presence of him, which boosted my confidence a lot.
okay. So your math teacher helped you a lot. I can guess.
Yes.
Yes. So thanks to Somati's math teacher and thanks a lot. And any other strategies that you took in the examination hall? Like, was there any strategy that you planned that I will do in this way? I will solve the questions in this way, or you just randomly saw the questions, which questions you could solve, you started doing that.
No, means when I means we did not have any mock test series for WBJE, so we prepared, as we gave mock test of JEE Mains, time based mock test. We were habituated that how to attempt the questions, how to manage the questions. Means when I had given my first mock test on JEE Mains, I got 182, and after that the
Okay,
marks increased as I could get my mistakes and work upon them. So giving mock
great.
tests is very necessary, as I feel that until you give mock tests, you don't understand what are your flaws, and you will not get any clue where to work upon.
Right.
Means getting less in mock tests is not a shame, but it is an opportunity for you to improve yourself, to understand your flaws. That's very important, where you are lagging behind.
Okay. So, according to Somudip, you all saw that giving mock test is very important, and he also gave mock test, and he came to know about his weaknesses, and he worked on your weaknesses, right, Somudip?
Yes, yes, Dr.
Yes. Okay. So,
I
next,
would also like to thank my chemistry and physics teachers,
yeah.
Mr. Nurul Haq sir, as chemistry sir. Means
Okay.
means his way of teaching chemistry, means it was glorious to me, a gift of to me, means I think that he gets something from the students which is beyond which he deserves. Means we
Okay.
cannot repay him back what he has given me, and thanks to the 30 years teaching experience of my physics teacher, Mr. Anando De, I have learned physics from him, means in a different way. You know, we have learned the traditional way of learning physics is going from theory to problems, but his different way of teaching is from problems. He takes the theories and he teaches you not the means. It's not that you have to practice difficult problems, but you have to practice relevant problems which involves good concepts, mixed
Great.
concepts.
That means he made you to solve relevant problems, not difficult problems, and which is
Yes.
very important,
Means
right?
it, yes, it is not that if you solve difficult problems you will manage the examination hall. Means you need to know how to solve the difficult problems. Means if you owe a bigger approach in the examiner hall, it will kill your time, and you also need to know the strategy of leaving questions. Means it's not that you will go and attempt all the questions in such an exam where 1 hour 2 hours and you have 75 questions to attempt, but In JEE Mains, the pattern is totally different. We have 1 hour and 25 questions to attempt. So it's
Okay.
almost the 2/3 of it. The
So
time is 2/3 of it, and the questions are triple. So
yes,
it's very difficult,
that means
and you have to change your strategy.
the art of leaving a question was very important to you. You managed that very gracefully, right? Great,
Yes,
great. Just I am just hearing these things first time. Means if I had heard these things is my time, then I think my rank would also have been improved. Great. So another question: did you sit for JEE Mains?
yes.
Okay. So what was your percentile in JEE Mains?
In February, it was 99.811,
99.81, and great. And
and in March, it was 99.722.
99.732. Both are great. That means, and are you planning to give the remaining JEE Mains test or
Yes,
directly?
I have given the third one, fourth one also. I am planning to give. And my
Okay.
ultimate target is JEE Advanced.
Obviously, that's obvious that your target is JEE Advanced, and I wish you a very good luck for JEE Advanced. So you are
Thank
planning
you.
to give the fourth test. Means it is not necessary, but why do you think that you taking that test will help
My
you?
math teacher, Pranab sir, has told that if you go and give a test means where invigilator is present and you are giving on a computer, that practice cannot be done in presence of him. So if I give a test just before JEE Advanced, while sitting at a computer for a constant 3 hours, means we need to keep that patience also. So it will be a practice test for me. So I am willing to give that.
Great. So you are taking the fourth JEE Mains as your practice, right?
Yes.
Yes, great to hear that. Okay. So you are aiming, Miss, have you any aim in what type of rank you want in JEE Advanced? Obviously,
Means
everyone wants, yes.
I have
Sorry.
aimed under 1,000, but my teachers are telling that you have potential to go under 500 or 100. So let's see.
Yes, obviously you have the potential. So best of luck for
Yes.
your JEE Advanced. Prepare well.
Thank you. Doctor.
Okay. And last two or three questions I would ask that
Yes.
okay. So how did you plan your day? Means how will you read the subjects? Like every day you will do all the subjects or you will do these chapters. How you do plan a
When there
general
was a
day?
time amidst the lockdown, when there was time, I took a subject for a day. Means for a day I did one subject. Means maths I did mostly because it was lagging behind. So I
Yes.
took maths as the main subject. Means 3 days in a week I took maths, and rest 2 days physics, chemistry. And
Great.
chemistry is a very scoring subject in hard exams like WBJE and JEE Advanced. Not in JEE Mains obviously, but WBJE, JEE and JEE Advanced, it is a means it will save your time and it will give you more marks. That is very important to study chemistry. Means my teacher explained me that we have to study chemistry seriously.
Okay. And in a day, did you keep any time for your recreation, like any games, outdoor games or indoor games, or any type of
Yes,
besides?
I
Yes.
yes I write poems in my free time, and
Great.
yeah, I go to play cricket in the evening sometimes.
Okay, great, great to hear that, Somudeep. Okay, so you maintain your physical life, like physical health, along with your mental health, right?
When it was lockdown, I got more time to go to play cricket in the evening.
Yeah. Okay, and one thing that you are sitting like whole class 12, I think you are sitting in home, right? You did not go to school.
No, during the practical exams for a few
Okay.
days we
Yes,
went
few
to
days.
school.
So that did that help you in your preparation strategy? Like you got more
Yes,
time, school time.
yes, that's what I am telling, that I make up to my backlogs
Yes.
in mathematics during that time,
Okay.
because now I am confident. Means I have covered up my mathematics so much that now I am confident that in any JEE Mains type of exam I can score above 90. Means I
Great.
have built up with that confidence,
That
but
confidence.
it was not the scenario 2 years ago.
Great, great,
Means
great
I
to
had
hear
to
that.
work hard a lot to achieve this, but I now but I now believe in myself that I can do it.
Okay, okay. One thing that why did you choose engineering? Like what fascinated you in your childhood to take this stream or
Means
this?
from class 6 I used to means open my remote control cars and uh,
Okay,
mess up with those motors and batteries, and
okay,
I loved that. Means I used to make fans out of ice cream sticks and all those bus
Great,
out
great.
of shoe boxes and all those. So I love that, but I left it for some years for my studies now.
Yes,
But you know, the hobby remains with a man. So
great. Obviously. So there's
means
technical
even
thing.
after I have scored rank with it for to get computer science, but still I am not interested. I want to take electronics.
Okay, so you want to take electronics. That's
Yes.
great. Okay, you will do great in that subject. If you have interest in that, you will obviously do great. So
Yes, means
hope-
while learning electronics, we have scope to learn computer science
yeah.
outside from. But while doing computer science, your studies are so much job oriented and
Right,
income
right.
oriented that you will not get time to enjoy your studies. Means it's much more
Obviously.
important for me that I enjoy my studies and
Yes.
love those subjects which I do.
Okay. So I think you are planning to do your electronics from IIT Bombay, right?
No, IIT Bombay is not really the target, but any good IIT, any old IIT, I am okay. It's okay with me.
Okay, okay. So any good IIT, you want to study electronics from there. Very good.
Yes.
So thank you, Somudi, for giving your very precious time. Thank you very much. And we wish
Thank you,
you
Dada.
that you score great, you score within 100 in JEE Advance. Best of luck.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you. Dada.